Radial engine. Radial engine, type of internal combustion engine used mainly in small airplanes, in which the cylinders are mounted in a circle around the crankshaft, sometimes in banks of 2 or more. Once the dominant piston engine type, radials are now in only limited production. A radial engine is a type of internal combustion engine with cylinders arranged radially around the crankshaft. 1 cylinders. Arranged in a star or radial pattern. 2 crankshaft. Central, with connecting rods attached to pistons. 3 valves. Typically located in the cylinder head. 4 cooling. Air-cooled or liquid-cooled.